Hey, we're going to crack into the E position of the Dorian scale. Now, this one has this really nice aligned set of notes that make it super fast. Okay, so if you want to get something moving really quick in this mode, this is the place for it. All right, so right up high on the neck, your E position for D is right up on that 10th fret. So we're going to be squashed in holding it like this. Again, try holding it up. You will find yourself very fast, okay? So if you're really looking to get some super speed on this scale, hold it up in the classical position. All right, so let's have a look. We're going our first finger for a minor on the 10th, 12th, 13th, 10th, 12th, 9, 10, 12. Now, second octave is 9, 10, 12 again. Then we're going 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13. So you can see there we've got repeats, which means you don't have to think as much about where your fingers are going. Run through that again. So 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13. All right, let's put that together a little bit smoother. Okay. All right, run through again. Now, we can look at our arpeggio notes very briefly, exactly the same as the minor scale, okay? So, really quick, we've got our 1, 3, 5, 7 octave, then we've got second octave is, okay, so that is, but we flatten our finger across there, so it's, now, definitely pick up your arpeggio notes just so that you can know where to land your finishing notes on it. But what we want to look at is really how do we get some of this quick soloing. So now these notes here, all right, we've got our root there, so you can use that as a really good starting point or finishing point. So we've got this very quick. So let's just try running a very quick 16th note. All right, and if we put that in, all right, it adds that lift, those really quick runs. So, and you can see the speed you can get on this. That is really easy as far as I'm concerned, as far as playing on a scale. Now, we've got that again here. So, all right, our root note is back here though. So if you're soloing, make sure you're landing back there. Now, with this one, our descending run is great. Notice I've moved out with these fingers. That's because I want to look at doing a pull-off. And you can also hammer on really quick. Okay, so nice, fast. Now, if you do want to stick with your little finger, look at your down up picking. And it runs really nicely. So you can get a really good rhythm there. Adding a tiny rest in, but back to a root note. Or we can run down and finish off the scale. Now, a full 2-octave scale run's probably not something you're going to throw in a solo, but seeing the speed that you can do this one, that you can. Now, doing the ascending run, similar sort of thing. So you might start from your root here. Doing a full 2-octave ascending run in a solo, I probably wouldn't do it. Maybe if it really fits, but it does feel too much like a scale in your solo. So think about it. Where's my root note? Where's my starting note? Or can I do a little skip? Quick arpeggio. And maybe here we've got a okay, have a play around with it. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.